The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New players emerge, capturing the attention of investors. One such player is Pepe Coin. This meme coin has taken the crypto world by storm. It's driven by community enthusiasm and a playful spirit. Pepe Coin is more than just a digital asset. It represents a cultural phenomenon. It reflects the power of online communities and the allure of meme culture. But what exactly is Pepe Coin? And how can you, as an investor, participate in its journey? This essay will serve as your guide to navigating the exciting world of Pepe Coin. We'll delve into its origins, explore investment strategies, and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this guide will provide valuable insights. Let's begin our journey into the heart of Pepe Coin. Pepe Coin burst onto the scene in April 2023. It draws inspiration from the Pepe the Frog meme. This internet-famous amphibian has become a symbol of online culture. Pepe Coin embraces this playful spirit, fostering a strong sense of community among its supporters. What sets Pepe Coin apart is its lack of a traditional use case. Unlike some cryptocurrencies designed for specific applications, Pepe Coin is driven by its community. Its value is derived from the shared enthusiasm of its holders. This unique approach has fueled its meteoric rise. Within weeks of its launch, Pepe Coin's market capitalization soared past $1 billion. By May 2023, it had surpassed $5 billion. This rapid growth is a testament to the power of community-driven projects in the crypto space. It also highlights the increasing influence of meme culture on financial markets. However, it's important to remember that meme coins like Pepe Coin can be volatile. Their value is often driven by speculation and market sentiment. As with any investment, it's crucial to approach Pepe Coin with a balanced perspective. Your journey into the world of Pepe Coin begins with choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. This is your gateway to buying, selling, and trading this unique digital asset. The right exchange can make all the difference in your investment experience. Several reputable exchanges list Pepe Coin. Binance, OKX, Wobi Global, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, Bit2Me, and Coinbase are among the most popular. Each platform offers its own set of features, fees, and security measures. When selecting an exchange, consider your individual needs and preferences. Do you prioritize low fees, a user-friendly interface, or a wide variety of trading options? Researching different platforms will help you find the perfect fit. Look for exchanges with a proven track record of security and reliability. Read reviews from other users and compare their offerings. Remember, your chosen exchange will be your trusted partner in your Pepe Coin investment journey. Once you've chosen your preferred cryptocurrency exchange, it's time to set up your account. This is a straightforward process that typically involves providing some basic information and completing a verification procedure. Most exchanges require you to create a username and password. You'll also need to provide a valid email address and, in some cases, your phone number. These details are essential for account security and communication. To comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations, exchanges will ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves submitting a government-issued ID and a selfie. While KYC procedures might seem like an extra step, they're crucial for preventing fraud and ensuring the safety of the platform. Once your account is verified, you're one step closer to buying Pepe Coin. The next step is to fund your account, which we'll cover in the next section. Section 5. Funding your account, making your first deposit. With your account set up and verified, you're ready to fund it and make your first Pepe Coin purchase. Most exchanges offer a variety of deposit methods to suit your preferences. Bank transfers are a common and secure way to fund your account. You'll need to provide your bank details and initiate a transfer from your bank's website or app. Keep in mind that bank transfers might take a few business days to process. If you prefer a quicker option, credit and debit cards are often accepted. Exchanges generally support major card providers like Visa and MasterCard. However, fees for card deposits can be higher than bank transfers. Some platforms like Coinbase allow you to buy Pepe Coin directly with fiat currency. This means you can use US dollars or other supported currencies to make your purchase without the need to convert to another cryptocurrency first. Once your deposit is processed, your account will be credited with the equivalent amount in your chosen currency. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of Pepe Coin trading. Section 6. Buying Pepe Coin, navigating the exchange. With funds securely in your account, you're ready to take the plunge and buy your first Pepe Coin. Most exchanges make this process intuitive, even for beginners. Navigate to the Pepe Coin trading pair. You'll usually find it listed under meme tokens or by using the exchange's search bar. The trading pair will show you the current market price of Pepe Coin against other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Tether. Enter the amount of Pepe Coin you wish to purchase. You can either specify the amount of Pepe Coin directly or the equivalent value in your chosen currency. Double-check the details, including the total cost, before confirming the transaction. Once you've reviewed and confirmed your order, the exchange will execute the trade. Congratulations! You're now a proud holder of Pepe Coin. Your journey into the heart of this unique digital asset has just begun.